Hi there, it's Hannah from Location, and I'm here to show you a very exciting new 2-bedroom garden flat we've taken on Farleigh Road. So not only does this house have a fantastic blue bush right outside the front door, but it's also been featured in many magazines because it's been so beautifully designed. It's been featured in Vogue, The Telegraph, Harpers Bazaar and House and Garden, all for a very good reason, and we're about to find out why. Please follow me. So this is the master bedroom. It's a fantastic size. They've got a very elegant, generous sized bed here. So yeah, really great size. You've got bespoke fitted cupboards all along this wall, built by a local carpenter, for all those many clothes that we all have or don't have. You've got lots of attention to detail here. So you've got cast iron radiators in the bay window there. You've got beautiful plantain shutters and this amazing polished concrete flooring throughout the property, which you can slide along at your leisure. But yeah, it's a brilliant room. You've got wonderful features like this light fitting and where the old fireplace used to be, makes a nice focal point to the room. And yeah, awesome master bedroom. So we're now walking into the main reception space, which leads on from the hall. So all along the hallway and into the sitting room, you've got this exposed brick wall, which just adds a very cool vibe to the space. The sitting room is a brilliant space. It's a rectangular shape, so it's awesome for entertaining. You've got a working log burner here. And yeah, the current owners have just got awesome style. So as you can tell by their wonderful art selection, and attention to detail in the light fittings. You've got cornicing all around the top here, and again, this polished concrete flooring just makes a really, really awesome entertaining space. Through here, you've got the bathroom, the family bathroom. So this is all reclaimed woodwork. Really cool feature handles here, quite industrial. And then you're coming into the bathroom, which is all, we've got, so a marble floor, very neat tiling walls, very generous sized bath with, again, the funky sort of industrial taps, which are very à la mode en ce moment. And then you've got a walk-in shower here, again with matching taps, and this huge sink, which has got a concrete facade and great storage underneath. You've also got a window going out there, letting in natural light. So the reception space, which we've talked about, leads straight onto this fantastic kitchen. So it is open plan, but it's also in a sort of L shape. So you've got the different spaces for doing different things. But yeah, so the kitchen is built into the side return of the house. All along the top here, you've just got a glass roof. So there's so much light coming in, which is obviously what everyone wants. You've got this continuation of fantastic light features, which again have this slightly industrial, but also Scandinavian / mid-century vibe. So we're covering lots of different themes here. And yeah, so again, reclaimed woodwork cupboards here. You've got a concrete facade top. Fantastic range cooker for all the chefs out there. A Smeg fridge, which is also potentially going to be in sale with the property. And yeah, just an awesome kitchen space. And you've got enough room to dine at the end there and overlook the fantastic award-winning garden, which we're going to get onto shortly. So if you'd like to follow me, we'll now enter the second bedroom. It's currently being used as a reception space. Lots of people working from home, so obviously you can alternate between bedroom or office space, reception space, whatever you fancy. You've got some corner, so these are bifolding doors which open all the way out. So the room basically can just roll into the garden, as they say. And yeah, you've got a picture window here, looking out onto that green space. And yeah, this room is just awesome. It's very much a garden room. You've got lifted ceiling height here, so you get a real feeling for space. And yeah, the current owners have just got these awesome bespoke lighting feature that really takes over the room, really. It just makes it very special. Okay, so we're now coming out into the main event, arguably, about this property, which is the garden. So this garden is currently on the front cover of Gardens Illustrated magazine, which is the creme de creme of garden magazines. And it's been designed by the extremely well-known Ula Maria, who has won many, many prizes, including the RHS prize in 2018 twice. So the garden's a fantastic size. It's got great width as well as length. You've got this wonderful wooden feature that frames the garden, obviously designed by Ula Maria. And there's even garden lighting. So at night, it's a fantastic place to have dinner parties, and the light actually bounces off these, this amazing sort of ribbed feature you've got surrounding the garden. You've got lots of mature trees. I wish I knew the name of these trees because they're amazing, but I don't. So yeah, there's attention to detail everywhere in this garden. Even the flooring is just so interesting to look at. You've got this woodwork sort of strip here, and then you've got this brickwork sort of path, and the brickwork shapes change. So in the corner there, they're a sort of right angle. Here they're in strips. You might not be able to tell in the video, but the attention to detail in this garden is fantastic, and I'm not surprised it's won so many awards. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do keep an eye on our YouTube channel and our Instagram for upcoming videos for properties that are coming onto the market so you don't miss out.